Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice system. A cubed plus b cubed equal to 98 and a minus b equal to 8. Our job is to find all possible values of a plus b. So let's start. We start from this first equation. A cubed plus b cubed equal to 98. This a cubed plus b cubed can be factorized as a plus b times a squared plus b squared minus a times b equal to 98. Next, a plus b times a squared plus b squared. To complete the square, we add here 2ab and we also subtract 2ab. This negative ab equal to 98. Next, a plus b times this a squared plus b squared plus 2ab will become a plus b whole squared, and negative 2ab minus ab will become negative 3 times ab equal to 98. Now to simplify the solution, we suppose that let a plus b equal to t. So this equation will become t times t squared minus 3 times ab equal to 98. Let's call this equation number 1. Now we use this algebraic identity a plus b whole squared equal to a minus b whole squared plus 4 times ab. In this equation we replace this a plus b with this t and this a minus b with this value 8 from second equation. So this equation will become t squared equal to 8 squared plus 4 times ab. Further simplify, this will become t squared equal to 64 plus 4ab. Move this 64 to the left hand side, this will become t squared minus 64 equal to 4ab. If we divide both sides by 4, this implies that a times b is equal to t squared minus 64 divided by 4. Next, a times b is equal to, this expression can be written as t squared over 4 minus 64 over 4, and this will become a times b is equal to t squared over 4 minus 64 divided by 4 will become 16. Now we recall equation number 1. Equation 1 is t times t squared minus 3ab equal to 98. Equation 1 is t times t squared minus 3 times ab equal to 98. In this equation we replace this a times b with this t squared over 4 minus 16. So this will become t times t squared minus 3 times t squared over 4 minus 16 equal to 98. Further simplify, this will become t times t squared. Negative 3 times t squared over 4 will become negative 3t squared over 4, and negative 3 times negative 16 will become plus 48 equal to 98. Next, t times, can write the denominator of this t squared 1 and take LCM of 1 and 4. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So this will become 4t squared minus 3t squared plus 48 equal to 98. Further simplify, this will become t times 4t squared minus 3t squared will become t squared divided by 4 plus 48 equal to 98. Distribute this t times t squared will become t cubed divided by 4 plus t times 48 will become 48t equal to 98. We multiply both sides of this equation by 4. So 4 times t cubed over 4 will become t cubed, and 4 times 48t will become plus 192 times t equal to 98 times 4 is 392. Move this 392 to the left hand side, equation will become t cubed plus 192 times t minus 392 equal to 0. Now if we check t is equal to 2 in this equation, this will become 2 cubed is 8 plus 192 times 2 will become 384 minus 392 equal to 0. It means that 2 is the solution of this cubic equation, which also means that t minus 2 is a factor of this cubic equation. So we rewrite this equation as t cubed subtract 2t squared and add 2t squared. Write this 192t as negative 4 times t plus 196 times t minus 392 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out t squared, in bracket left t minus 2, and from these two terms we can factor out plus 2 times t, in bracket left t minus 2, and from these two terms we can factor out plus 196, in bracket left t minus 2 equal to 0. As you can see, this expression t minus 2 is a common factor, so we factor out this t minus 2, and in bracket left t squared plus 2 times t plus 196 equal to 0. Either this expression t minus 2 equal to 0 or this second factor t squared plus 2 times t plus 196 equal to 0. From this equation t will be equal to 2, and from this quadratic equation we solve this equation by completing the square method. Write this t squared, and 2t is same as plus 2 times t times 1, and write this 196 as plus 1 squared plus 195 equal to 0. This t squared plus 2 times t times 1 plus 1 squared will become t plus 1 whole squared. Move this 195 to the right hand side, this will become negative 195, and we take square root of both sides, This square and square root cancelled out. This will become t plus 1 equal to plus or minus root negative 195 will become I times root 195. Move this 1 to the right hand side. This will become t is equal to negative 1 plus minus I times root 195. And first we found this value of t is equal to 2. Now recall that we have supposed that a plus b equal to t. We have supposed that a plus b equal to t. So we get three values for a plus b. A plus b is equal to 2 and negative 1 plus I times root 195 and negative 1 minus I times root 195. These are the three solutions for this equation.